Good morning, students. Chapter number 2, Mighty Beam. Let's read and find facts. Question number 1. Why did the Pandavas discuss themselves as a poor Brahmin? The Pandavas discussed themselves because they had fled from their enemies. Question number 2. What was the name of the village they visited? Answer: Ek Chakra. Question number 3. How did they earn a living? Answer: the Pandavas earn a living by begging. Question number 4. Each member of the family shouted, "I must go." Where did they want to go and why? They wanted to go to the demon's Bakasura to give him his share of food. What did the demon demand to the village people each day? Each day, the demon demanded 2 buffaloes, 3 big baskets of food, and 1 human being. Question number 6. Why was Yudhishthir angry with his mother? Answer: Yudhishthira was angry with his mother because she had decided to send Bhim to stay the demon. He was angry at her for putting his brother's life in danger. Question number 7. What are the 2 reasons Kunti gave for sending Bhim to fight the demon? Kunti said that she was certain that Bhim would be safe because he had defeated many demons in the past. She also said that it was their duty to help those who were in a difficulty. Question number 8. How did Bhim tease Bakasura when he arrived at the demon's cave? Bhim brought a hug supply of food, turned his back on the demon, sat down and began to eat the food. Question number 9. Give example to show that Bhim had no fear. Bhim teased Bakasura by saying, "Bakasura, come and get your food. If you don't come out, I will eat it all up." He then turned his back on him and ate all the food. Bakasura uprooted a banyan tree and flung it at Bhim. But Bhim catch it with one hand and tossed it away as if it were a straw blown by the wind. Then Bhim raised the demon over his head and hurled him to the ground. Question number 10. Why did the Pandavas leave the village quietly? Answer: the Pandavas knows that the people would spread the words of Bhim's great victory and the enemies of the Pandavas would discover them, so left as quietly as they came.